Hello, it's the YouTube babe here. We are going to be styling this bandana on your head, styling this bandana in your hair in less than 5 minutes. So grab your bandana for the amazing styles. Make your first fold with your bandana like that. Make your first fold right there. Remember, you can do this on a flat surface or just do it on air like I am. So when it comes to your hair, you can choose your hair to be just held up like mine at the center, to be specific, not really center, but just a little bit, not really at the back, but right there. Let it lie to the back. You can also choose to like drop 2 hairs at the front or something, but just make sure that the hair is held up. Then place the bandana on your head like this. Just flip it. This is for the first easy way on an elegant style. And then make a knot below your hairs, below the hairs like that, to have something like that. But that's not what you're looking for. So what you'll do is fold, make a fold just on top of the hairs like that. Yeah, to have something like that, because you do not want that sharp edge all out there. You do not want that sharp edge all out there. So you can leave it to be like that. Make another knot if you feel like it is loose, and by the way, enjoy what you're doing. Have fun doing it. So the other way is, let's first undo this one, because this style also is determined by the amount of hairs that you have. Okay, so pick your bandana and then make the first fold again. Just do it the way I'm doing it. And then from the bottom, make another fold towards the top to have something like that. I think this is much easier. It's a much easier way to fold it. Have it the same, and then from the bottom, you pull it towards the top to have something like that. And then with your hairs like that, placed well balanced towards the back, just place it onto your head again. Right there, making sure that it's covering the your entire hairs. But if you feel it's not enough, you can just adjust it a little bit, making sure that from the bottom you do not fold it like that much. You do not fold it like that much. You see, like for me, I felt like my hair was still being seen, but we want to cover the entire hair that is not the entire head, apart from the hairs that we have held at the center. So I just did a little bit of adjustment right there. We adjust a little bit to make it a little bit bigger. I told you the amount of hair that you have also determines the size that you're going to fold it, and also the size of your head, always if you do not have hair. And then make a knot after placing it onto your head. Make a knot at the back. Don't make it too tight. We do not want you to have like headaches and all. And then voila, you can choose for it to stay just like that. Well, this moment, the truth is, I was feeling very uncomfortable. We had someone else right there beside me, but anyways, we still survived. Remember to like this video, share it out there. You can always subscribe. Kindly just subscribe to my channel for more tutorials here and there. You know, I got you. So right there, pull it towards the forehead a little bit if you have one like mine, making sure that it's covering the entire head right there. From the back, you can see the way it looks like, and then from the front, ooh, looking like a 10 over 10. amazing, amazing, amazing. I always love like the outcomes of these tutorials. Well, I thought it was wise for maybe let's take a picture, let's look for the best setting for that fun. Yes, or maybe I am telling you like like to subscribe or something right now. Okay, say cheese, take a picture, smile for the cameras. Let's see that one. Seems that one was not okay. Another one. Where's the sun? Right. Wow. Good. Better. No. Seems like we need to do something. Oh, I forgot I was recording and went away from the camera. But anyways, there we are. It's amazing. It looks amazing. For more of my videos, you just click there. See you there. See you.